I can share with you what we are doing a lot for our clients, especially for newer teams, so newly assembled teams or teams where we know people haven't been working together for a long time, or they struggle with this cohesiveness. We do something often called like Blitz Planning. Like if it's a newly established team, I will say, hey guys, let's do Blitz Planning. Blitz Planning consists of 3 things. Thing number 1 is learning about each other on a personal level, exactly like you've done, but I will throw in multiple exercises there. I will share with you in a moment. But thing is, learn about each other. Second thing is learn about the work that we are gathered together to do, right? So what is it? Why are we together? What's the purpose? What kind of work should we be doing? So we need to learn about ourselves. We need to learn about the work that we're going to be doing. And third thing is learn about our initial process. Learn how we're going to be working together. And these 3 things are typically kind of packed together in 1 day or 2 day session. So it's either 1 day or 2 day session where we concentrate on these 3 things, right? And we throw in, it's like a workshop. If I can take people offline, beautiful. If I cannot, now we are doing a lot of them online as well. But if I can do offline, it's very good and it's beneficial, of course. But and then among those 3 things, so learn about each other, learn about the work that we do, and learn about the process. I will typically mix not evenly, and especially in this, like before pandemic. And if I do it physically, I will split like probably 20% on personal, maybe 20% on the process side, and the rest, like 60% on the work, right? Why are we together? What is ahead? But during the pandemic time, I stole from the work and I distributed more to that personal thing. So now I would do up to 40% on this personal thing, because it's, as you say, it's just squares, right? No depth. It's width and height, and sometimes not even a picture. Like we're sitting now. Look, right? There are a few of us with the camera on, and we are having an interaction. Those of us who are not, it's just letters, and I don't know how, like, what is happening on the other side. Hey, who are you? Welcome, right? But that kind of feeling we have on the team as well. So spending now, especially in this virtual environment, spending good time on having like activities which help us bond together to build mutual trust and respect is a key. It became like, if before pandemic I was saying, let's concentrate on the work, because I knew we're going to be in the office and we're going to be interacting and we will get those personal connections anyway at the cooler or during the lunch, right? But now when I know we are offline, we are sitting in different states sometimes, right? Online. And with this, I know we need this personal connection. We need this kind of mutual trust and respect, and it's built only when we know each other, not just as a square in a computer.